Hello everyone, I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, I'd like to delve into a captivating topic with all of you, unveiling EA trading strategies, analyzing different approaches such as trend following, reversals, and oscillations. First and foremost, let's embark on an exploration of the diverse variations within EA trading strategies. In the world of investment, distinct market conditions call for distinct strategies. Whether the market is trending, reversing, or oscillating, we can achieve profits through clever trading tactics. When the market exhibits a clear trend, we can employ a trend-following strategy. This entails following the market's trend with the aim of securing consistent returns. Conversely, when the market shifts direction, a reversal strategy becomes applicable. During such instances, we seek opportunities that counteract the market's change in direction to reap profits. In scenarios of heightened market volatility and the absence of a conspicuous trend, oscillation strategies become more crucial. This implies trading within the upper and lower price boundaries of fluctuations, identifying short-term trading opportunities. However, let's shift focus to the advantages of the EA developed by INNOSS Tech Lab. Our EA don't merely amalgamate various trading strategies, but also possess the flexibility to adjust strategies based on market conditions. Regardless of whether the market is trending, reversing, or oscillating, our EA can make judicious trading decisions in alignment with actual circumstances, enhancing wisdom in your investments. To sum it up, the journey of investment necessitates diverse strategies based on varying market conditions. By comprehending different strategies like trend following, reversals, and oscillations, we can adeptly confront both challenges and opportunities presented by the market. If the advantages of our EA intrigue you, feel free to reach out to us for more information. Thank you all for listening, and until we meet again.